Balakchi, a small town on the western edge of Isekul Lake, is often seen as a gateway to Kyrgyzstan's most scenic region. While it is more of a transit hub than a tourist hotspot, Balakchi has a handful of hotels and guest houses that offer the word warmth and authentic Kyrgyz hospitality. Here are the couple of hotels and stays in Balakchi for travelers stopping in rooms to Isekul, Bishkek, or Nari. The first one is Hotel Albatross. Hotel Albatross is one of the most reliable mid-range hotel in Belek, offering comfortable rooms with modern amenities. Guests enjoy Wi-Fi, private bathrooms, and neat interiors. The on-site restaurants serve both Turkish and European dishes with fresh fish from Isekun being a highlight. Its location close to the lake make it convenient for short experience. Service is efficient and professional, a defendable choice for families and business travelers. The second one is Guest House Village. This family-run guest house is popular among backpackers and cultural travelers. Rooms are modest but very clean with a warm, homely atmosphere. Guests often praise the homemade meals prepared by the host, featuring traditional Kyrgyz dishes. The courtyard offers place to relax and enjoy mountain air. Hosts are friendly, often sharing travel tips and local stories. A cozy and authentic experience for those who prefer simplicity. The third one is In Alai. In Alai is a budget-friendly option offering beach homes with essential amenities. Guests appreciate its convenient location near the metro for travelers heading to Sekul or Bishkek. The property is simple with clean bathroom, Wi-Fi, and friendly service. The staff help arrange local taxis and guides. Perfect for transit travelers looking for affordability with comfort. The fourth one is Belakchi Hotel Isekul. This hotel offers easy access to the shores of Isekul Lake, making it attractive for summer visitors. Rooms are spacious with basic but comfortable furnishing. The in-house dining option provide local meals, especially lake fish dishes. Guests enjoy evening walk to the lake just a short distance away. The hotel peaceful surrounding make it a good stop for families. It's best suited for short recreational stays. The fifth one is Akmaral Guest House. Akmaral Guest House is a charming homestay style property offering personal hospitality. Rooms are decorated with simplicity but have a cozy, warm feel. Guests love the hearty breakfast and dinner prepared with fresh local procedure. The location provides view of the lake and surrounding hills. Hosts are accommodating and often organize exhibitions in nearby attractions, ideal for travelers seeking authentic Kyrgyz livings. The next one is Hotel Velekchi Plaza. Velekchi Plaza is a newer property that provides modern, well-maintained rooms with upgraded facilities. The interiors are stylish compared to most stays in the area. Guests appreciate the attentive staff and organized environment. The host also has a small restaurant offering a mix of regional and traditional cuisine. Centrally located, it is easy to reach market and transport hubs, a refined option for business or leisure travelers. The next one is Aral Guest House. Aral Guest House offers budget-friendly accommodation with a homely touch. Rooms are basic yet comfortable, suitable for short stays. With family who run it ensure a welcome, often going the extra miles for guests. Home cooked meals are available on request with authentic Kyrgyz flavors. Its location near the lake make it relaxing in summer, perfect for solo travelers or couples on a budget. The next one is Solborn Guest House. This guest house is known for its family-friendly environment and clean, airy rooms. Guests highlight the hospitality of the host and the peaceful garden setting. Traditional Kyrgyz meals, especially breakfast, are often praised for their freshness. The property has easy access to the transport routes, making onward journey simple. It's a safe and comfortable choice for those who prefer culture immersion. The second house is Caravan Hotel. Caravan Hotel offers larger rooms and modern facilities at mid-range prices. The hotel includes parking, Wi-Fi, and an in-house restaurant. Guests enjoy the professional service and drink environment. Its location makes it convenient for short transit and overnight stays. Many travelers use it as a comfortable base before heading deeper into Isekul, a practical and polished option for groups. The last one is Nomad Guest House. Nomad Guest House offer a rustic yet memorable stay with rooms decorated with traditional Kyrgyz style. Guests enjoy the cultural touch from the patterned carpet to hearty homemade meals. The hosts are known for their friendliness and willingness to guide guests about local traditions. Located close to the lake, it provides peaceful view and quiet surroundings. It is a pair for those seeking an authentic Kyrgyz experience. Barakchi may not be a tourist hotspot, but its hotel and guest houses offer warm Kyrgyz hospitality and comfortable stays. From modern choices like Barakchi Plaza and Hotel Albatross to cultural homestays like Nomad Guest House and Akmaral, the city caters to all kind of travelers.